In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a CapCut project between devices quickly and easily so you can start editing on one device and continue on another without losing your progress. This is super useful if you work on your videos on a PC and then want to open the same project on your phone, tablet, or another computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and log into your account. Make sure you sign in with the same account you want to use on your other device because that is what allows your projects to sync properly. Once you're inside CapCut, go to the home screen and scroll down a little. You should see an option called Project Sync. This is the feature that keeps your projects connected across devices. Click on Project Sync and turn it on. If it asks for confirmation, go ahead and allow it because this is what enables your projects to be available in the cloud. After that, grab your other device and open CapCut there as well. Again, log in using the exact same account you used on your PC. This part is very important because if you use a different account, your projects will not appear. Once you are signed in on the second device, go to your projects area and you should now see all of your synced projects listed there. From here, you can open the project you started on your PC and keep working on it from the other device. This makes it so much easier to switch between devices without manually transferring files or starting over from scratch. So the whole process is really simple. Sign in on CapCut PC, turn on Project Sync, then sign in with the same account on your other device and your projects will be ready to access. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.